Alright guys, so this is it. This is the Google Pixel 6a. I'm a part of Team Pixel, so they sent this over. So you can see here, they always do such a great job on their packaging and stuff. But yeah, now I've been a part of Team Pixel the past couple of years now. So it looks like I got the sage green version here, so we'll pop this out. So pretty cool. I do like the colors they have. The sage color is always really cool. I think I had the Pixel 5 that was this color, and it looks pretty awesome. So these are always nice to have, these nice little convenient pull tabs, so very easy to open these up nowadays. Get that open, flip that over there, and boom, there we go. First thing you see is the phone right out of the box. It's had a really cool sage color, like it's a little lighter on top there, and then yeah, this, so I guess this is a plastic back. It really does look and feel like glass though, but yeah, it looks really cool. You see the subtle Google logo, and I do love how they have very onboard and kind of consistent branding between the whole Pixel 6 lineup, between the 6, the 6 Pro, and now the 6a. I do like that camera bar. I think that looks really cool. So you have this to just pull up here, and pretty neat right away. They give you kind of all the indicators here of all the buttons and everything, the layout. So yeah, you got your power button, volume rockers right there on the side. This actually does have a in-screen fingerprint sensor as well, so that's nice. You know, USB charging, kind of like typical. And yeah, let's see. And there's a nice close-up of that color. Look how cool that looks. I love the black and that green. Really pops. All right, so pull this off. And yeah, there's a screen. But yeah, this is the device, guys. Looks really cool. So the other things you get in the box here, you're going to get the cable then. This is a Type-C to Type-C. So that's going to help with the transfer and the setup process of this, and for charging and everything as well. And then you get this again, that also helps with the transfer process. This is just a dongle as well. This is kind of USB-A to the Type-C. So it looks like you do not get that charging brick though. But then right in here, you get your manuals and stuff and some of the paperwork. And then you also get right on the back of this here, this is your SIM tray ejector tool right there. So you can just pinch that down and pop that out and pop in your SIM card. So you can see, guys, you have one camera hole right there in the center. That's kind of your front-facing camera right there. Little bit of some bezels around the edges. You know, again, it's pretty minimal. I can definitely live with that, especially on a phone. You know, it's more of a budget phone. You can kind of see down here again, a little bit of the bezels on there. On the back side then, this is the camera module. So you got your flash back there, got two cameras right here, buttons and stuff here on the side. These are very clicky, very responsive. I have a few cases I'm going to be getting to test out with this too. Let me know if you have any like favorites or anything you want to see necessarily with this. You got the Type-C port right there on the bottom, and the downward facing speakers you can kind of make out right there. And then there's that SIM tray right here, and you get that tool inside the packaging to be able to pop that out and use your physical SIM card. So yeah, this is right now, you see it's installed the applications I had going there. There's a test of that fingerprint sensor. I mean, that's pretty quick. Again, we'll test that fingerprint sensor out. Let's see, we'll do a few in a row here. Ready? Good. Lock it again. Tap. See, I mean, it's pretty good. It's you know, not super fast. I'd say similar to like the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, this is not like very laggy though. This it's pretty consistent, it seems like, from time to time. Sometimes you gotta hold it just a little bit longer. But yeah, overall, no issues. Like I said, I don't have the biggest hands either. I'm like 5'9", so I don't usually go for huge phones, so I really do like the size of this phone. I love the form factor. Feels really good in the hand. The quality feels great too. Like I said, this is a plastic back here, but I mean, the look, you guys can tell me in the comments. I think that looks like glass and stuff. If I was looking at this and first touching it and stuff, I would think that that's glass. But it's nice because it's plastic, so A, it's a little more durable, and B, it's actually a lot lighter. So this feels a lot lighter in the hand as well, which is something that I'll take any day. So yeah, guys, that's kind of like my first impressions and unboxing here of the Google Pixel 6a. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more content around this. I'm gonna, you know, do some testing. I'm gonna have some accessories and some cases and stuff I'm gonna use with this. I think I'm gonna try to do a video just only using this Pixel 6a as well, and kind of show you, you know, video quality and stuff, and if you're gonna use this as like a content creator. So definitely subscribe, guys. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.